Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy FX Dollar Marine. So today with the trading ideas, I will be showing you, I'm sure you will be able to turn $10 into $1,000 with the right risk management. So let's head over to the chart, guys. Let's go. Okay guys, so the first pair on our list for the week is, let's see, Euro card on the 1 hour time frame, right? So let's see. Was it on the 1 hour time frame? No. Okay. I called this trade idea last week, so I'm still calling it this week because it's yet to be activated. Price has not yet gotten back to this our point of entry. So like I said last week, waited for a sweep. After the sweep, we saw the break of structure, right? Then you identify your structural liquidity. Next thing is to mark out your point of interest, which is what is right here. After that, just set your sell limit and wait for price to come and activate you for a 1 to 2 minimum. So that's that for Euro card because I called it last week. So the next pair on our list is Euro CHF. Yes, Euro CHF, and this is on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so Euro CHF, I currently have two buyers on this trade. One is on the 1 hour time frame, so they both go hand in hand. So okay, the first thing we looked for was the sweep right here, right? As you can see, price swept this low right here, and then it went and broke structure. It broke structure, guys. Immediately after the sweep, the next thing we wait for is the BOS. So immediately it broke structure. As you can see, our next thing is to find our structural liquidity. If there's no structural liquidity, we don't take the trade because it's possible you end up being the liquidity, guys. So immediately we marked out the liquidity as usual, set your buy limit. So I'm still going in the strategy, the possible strategy. So I've come to actually find out that I can have the more RR. So I'm still working on increasing my RR more than 2. So as you can see, I have my TP1 and my TP2. My TP1 is the first break of structure, the main one wait. Then my TP2 is the overall break of structure, which is this right here. So that's what I have on the 1 hour time frame for Euro CHF. Then on the 4 hour time frame, I think I have a sell, guys. Yes, I have a sell, right? Yes, there is a sell on Euro CHF, sorry, the 4 hour time frame. So as you can see right here, price swept the liquidity, came down, broke structure, right? Next thing we find our SLQ. So this was our SLQ. Mark out your QI and then you set your sell limit for a 1 to 2. So those are the two trade ideas I have on USCHF for this coming week. The next pair on our list is USD card. Yes, I called this on my Telegram group last week because I found this trade idea I think last week Thursday. So I called it on my Telegram group. But as you can see, price is yet to be activated. So why did I call this trade? You'll be asking. Okay, price swept the liquidity that was right here. I'm trying to make my chart cleaner. That's why you're not seeing the sweep, the BS as I usually do. Although it's still on some pairs, but we have to upgrade, guys. Yes. So as you can see, price swept this liquidity right here, and it went broke structure. The next thing we identify is our liquidity, which was found right here. So set your buy limit, and then I put my TP at this break of structure, and that would be giving me a 1 to 4, guys. Yeah, a 1 to 4. So that's my only bias on USD card. Then my next bias is on AUD USD 4 hour time frame. I think I've called this trade since 3 weeks ago, and price is still yet to activate the buy limit. Price is still yet to activate the buy limit, as you can see. So as you can check, let's check the data so you see the same thing happen here. So from the past, you see price came, swept the liquidity that was right here, swept the liquidity, went, broke structure right here. Then the next thing was to find our SLQ, and all this right here was our SLQ. And what did price come? What the price do? Price came down, cleared the SLQ, entered our point of interest, and bought. So the same thing is what we are expecting to happen right here. So currently, price swept the SLQ. Next thing, it went and broke structure, and next it created for us structural liquidity right here. So what's the next thing we do? Just set your buy limit right here and just do a 1 to 2, guys. So that's that on AUD. The next pair on our list, okay, no, this is not a trade idea, this is a trade I'm watching because I took this trade last week. No, I think last 2 weeks, yes. So last week it didn't play out fully last 2 weeks. So last week the trade reversed, as you can see, and then it hit me at a break even. So I'm just actually watching it to see whether it will actually still hit our TP. So let me just put it underneath here. Yes. So euro, okay. This is also another pair I'm watching. I had a sell limit right here last week, but it's no longer valid. So let me just go ahead and go ahead and delete this. Yeah. Yes. Okay, this is a trade I'm currently in on Euro USD, and the market closed. So we're waiting for the market to open. Let's see how it continues. So I'll still put that under here. Then next pair, okay, GBP USD. This is another trade that I've called since 3 weeks ago, if not more than, and it's still yet to activate, guys. It's still yet to activate, and it's not yet invalid. As you can see, there's a blue line I marked out here. So till this price action crosses this blue line, this sell limit is still valid, guys. It's still valid. So for those who are just joining for the first time, let me break down the trade. So the first thing we saw here was the sweep, right? The sweep, guys. Immediately price swept. What do we wait for next? A break of structure. Now price came down, broke structure, as you can see. The next thing we look for after we have confirmed our break of structure is the SLQ. So you see, SLQ, structural liquidity. Price created that for us, right? So next thing was to mark out our POI, guys, our point of interest. Later I'll do a video explaining how to actually mark out your exact point of interest. So if you want the video, comment down on the video so that to remind me to actually make the video for you guys. So next thing, just set your sell limit, a 1 to 2, and you're out, guys. Next pair on the list, Euro JPY. Yes, Euro JPY. So this is Euro JPY 4-hour time frame. A very clean setup, guys. A very clean setup, and a high RR. I think this is a 1 to 4 RR. Yeah. So price came, swept structure, right? The next thing is broke structure. After sweeping, it came and broke structure. So what do we look for next? Our SLQ, guys. Our SLQ. So immediately we found our SLQ. The next thing was to actually mark out our point of interest, which is this, and then set your sell limit. So like I said before, I'm mastering the quantitative strategy. So I've seen this way to actually maximize my profits, because in forex trading it's better you risk less to gain more. So eventually everybody knows a 1 to 4 is better than 1 to 2. So I'm still learning how to actually increase my RR with this strategy. So yes, this is our TP1. Our TP1 is this break of structure right here, and our TP2 would be the next break of structure. So basically we're expecting price to do something like this. As you know, price hardly moves in straight line, so we're expecting price to do something like this, and then boom. So this is basically what we're expecting price to do this week on Euro JPY. The next pair on our list will be CAD JPY. Yes, CAD JPY. So as you can see, price came down, swept liquidity right here, right? And then it went above and broke structure. The next we look out for is for our SLQ, and then you set your buy limit, guys. Quick 1 to 2. But then on this trade, I still have some doubts. I would say if you're taking this trade, risk lesser than what you usually risk. Why, guys? Because I could still see a lower entry right here, and if this lower entry is to activate, then we would actually take a loss on this, because right here you see the sweep, right? And then this would be our break or structure, and then this our peak right here would then become an SLQ, would then become structural liquidity, guys. So if price were to actually come and activate this one down, you will be taking a loss here. So I'm advising you to risk lesser than what you usually risk on this particular trade idea on CAD JPY. Yes. So the next pair, Euro AUD, guys. Yes, Euro AUD. As you can see, I sold the Euro AUD. So currently I've seen a setup, a buy setup on Euro AUD. So this, let me go. I think this is a 1 hour setup. Yes, 1 hour. So let's go to 1 hour. Okay, as you can see, price. Let me remove this. Price came. Sorry, guys. Price came, swept liquidity. Next is broke structure. After breaking structure, it came, created an SLQ for us. Immediately price created the SLQ for us, it's going back up. So currently we're expecting price to come down to clear the SLQ and then buy. So that's that for UAD. Okay, I've not yet put my buy signal, and that's because I likely might not take this trade. But if you want more information on whether I actually decide to take the trade or not, you could click on the link below this video to join my Telegram channel, because during the week definitely I still run down all my pairs, and on the 1 hour time frame look for setups, guys. I look for setup. So those ones definitely they are not in these videos. So to actually be updated with the trades I take and the ones I don't, join my Telegram channel, guys. Lots of information, guys. Lots of free training there. Let's grow together, guys. So that's okay. That's the last pair. That's the last pair for the week. Euro AUD. So hopefully this week provides us with more profit. So with these few trade ideas I've showed, I'm sure with the right risk management you'll be able to turn $10 into 1,000 and more, depending on how much you risk, guys. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, guys. I can't emphasize enough. Please subscribe. It goes a long way, guys. It goes a long way. Thank you, guys. See you next week.